Are you tired of doing the same art over and over again? It seems like, man, this is getting old. But worry no more, because in this video, I will show you a new piece of art. Well, it's not new, but it may be new to you. It's also new to me, since this is my first time to try it. So let's try this one. My name is Mary Rose Frances Lagrama, and welcome to my YouTube channel. The art that we are going to do is called spiral art. I will draw Ivana Alawi, a famous Filipino artist. Before we start, let's have a quick random shout out to my random subscribers. Shout out to Paul Lang. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Are you ready? Let's start! So the materials that we need are a pen, a paper, the internet, the photo, and a printer. If you don't have a printer in your home, you can go out, but be careful since it is still pandemic. Anyway, here are the steps. So first, search Spiral Betty in the Google. So next, let's click this one. And as you can see, there are details here on the right side. Okay, second, we click this one. This is the upload button. And we are going to choose this photo, upload this, and we can drag this photo like this. And this one is for zoom in and out. Okay, and next we are going to do or click this one. Okay, so here is the spiral photo, and as you can see, there are rings, scale, lightness, and contrast here on the lower part. Okay, so the rings refer to the spirals. If we are going to drag it like this, the spiral is few. And if we are going to drag it like this, the spirals are lot. Or it makes the photo more clear. Next, we have the scale. This scale is for zoom in and out. Okay, it's resizing the photo. And the lightness, this refers to the lightness of the picture. It makes dark like this and lighter on the other side. And next we have the contrast. The contrast refers to the thick and thin of the lines, like this one. So we are just going to adjust it like this. Okay. And also, as you can see on the right side of the site, we have this colorful spiral photos. You can choose this one, or this one, or maybe this one. But in this art that we are going to do, we are going to choose this one, the color in. Okay, So here is our final photo. We are going to click this button. This is download button. Okay, and we choose this download. Okay, so as we can see, it's already in here. Next, we are going to put it in Google Docs. Okay, so next, we are going to go to insert and then image, upload from computer, and click this Spiral Betty photo. Okay, and we already have the picture. Okay, and next we are going to save it or download. So I will choose PDF, and then so let's print this one out.